Hi, welcome to the Arrow Workshop. Today, we're going to show you the features and applications of the PT23G pneumatic pin nailer. The PT23G offers quality tool performance at an affordable price. The PT23G has an easy load magazine with a color-coded system to help you select the proper pin nail for your project. This tool comes complete with a rubber comfort grip, an adjustable exhaust cover, and a trigger safety to prevent misfires. Made of lightweight die-cast aluminum, it's easy to handle yet durable enough for consistent use. The tool comes with air inlet fittings and it operates on home compressors up to 120 psi. Included in the box are the owner's manual, pneumatic oil, and 2 hex keys to help maintain the tool. The PT23G is the perfect companion for most trim jobs, crafts, and hobby work that requires headless pin nails. Thank you for stopping by the Arrow Workshop. We hope you enjoy your new tool.